this is our basil and it's ready to harvest. We have lots of different varieties in here because we like to grow different kinds, different flavors. If you're harvesting basil or anything with a square stem, there's a specific way that you're going to want to harvest it. You basically go down the stem, and there's like an opposite leaves. So you'll go down the stem, and right here, if you cut here, these side shoots will start to bush the plant out. But you could also go down all the way to like here, and so this will start to bush the plant out, and then you can get a longer harvest. Different from something that has opposite leaves, we have a different kind of harvest that you can make regenerative. It's kind of something, I guess I'll call it like, it looks a little bit like a firework. And so on something like this, we have parsley. We also have mustard over on the other side of the wall, chard. If you harvest the outer leaves, it will regenerate from the middle. So you can kind of see from this plant really well that there's a bug on my finger. If you harvest the outer ones, the middle will continue to grow, and then you can continue that harvest and keep harvesting for a long period of time.